man, I wish you guys could smell that. Woo! Delicious. Morning everybody, we're getting loaded up. We got a small welding project we got to do, just weld on 2 pieces of continuous fence. And then also while we're at my place, we have a chain clip, is that what it's called? That we're gonna weld on to make life a little easier. And then we have 2 loads of cornstalk bales we need to haul. Get that done so we can unhook and then hook onto the auger because harvest is here. We got about 4 neighbors that are working on corn right now, making me antsy. Everywhere you drive, you see a combine. So with this fence being right next to the flowing well, right where the exit is, it's always wet here. So the fence that was here, wood posts, it was leaning, rotted. So I wanted to do something more permanent, cement some metal poles in, 40 feet long. Also what we need to do is get something in here that can dig this ditch out. It's supposed to flow that way. You can see there's kind of a low spot here, but because cattle like standing in it, they just kind of messed with the grade and everything, so now the water really likes to sit right here. The next step to make this spot better, other than getting the fence put back together, is ditch it so it runs away faster. Looks quite swell. Nothing like rusty pipe to weld to. Use the wire wheel, clean it off a bit, and tack this up. I like it. Looks nice. Should have seen what was there before. Got her all on there. Only started one fire. Where was that at? Oh, right there. I wasn't too worried because we're surrounded by a lot of water. What do you think, girls? Man, don't they look fancy. Hello. I hope you weren't staring while I was welding. Your eyes might tingle a little bit the rest of the day. So that's all finished up. We welded the couplers on, tied that stockade panel to this fence, and I'm getting a little moist. We just got one more short project, just weld one thing on the other side of that barn while we're here. And we'll get out of here, haul 2 loads of bales, and then the fun job of getting a big auger greased and ready to go. I don't know if all skid loaders are like it, but this Bobcat's AC is just amazing good. You know when you got that air blasting and it feels so good it hurts a little bit? Oh, that was nice. I only added on 60% airflow. Alright, so over here, this is a pretty important gate. When we're chasing cattle in here, it's gotta be chained, otherwise they might go that way, which wouldn't be good. Now once we get them in there, sometimes we're in a rush to get back up to the head gate, and these take 2 hands or a little finessing. And so I want to get a chain hook on here, probably weld the chain here and throw that, and then we can easily come along quickly one-handed, pull that chain out of the latch. It's the little things, folks. It really is. Makes life a lot easier. Looks like a good place to start a fire. I brought some water with me though. Sweet. Let's get out of here. Gonna move a couple old corn stock bales because we got 2 more loads to bring in, which I want to put them right here, get these up close to where we're gonna grind them. And then like I said, we're getting an auger ready after that big red one. procrastinating a bit on that last load of cornstalk bales. It's just so dang boring. There's 13 bales left sitting over there. We'll grab them, just keep getting ready for harvest and winter. Got some stuff to put away, maybe clean off the windrower for the year. Hope the tires are up. Right off the bat, we got two completely flat tires. Don't want that happening in season, so we're gonna put some goop up in it. Then we'll air those up. Then we gotta open this up, grease a couple knuckles, get the cone on the end, which should be, yep, it's sitting over there. And then lastly, one of the most important things is make sure we have batteries and remotes and that walker works. I came over here to check how the shear bolt was looking, and that's all that was in there. You can see it ran for a while with it broke in half. I'm surprised. Well, no, it seems like it didn't take that long, but I'm pretty sure I've been at this an hour. A lot of these needed convincing to take grease. A little bit of colorful language involved, but we got there, so. Well, we got the electrical hooked up. Let's see if one of these works. Poor start. All right. Found a third one in this truck. Come on. Oh my goodness. Well, this one even has power. It's nice that lights up. Well, I got sparks to go when I hooked up the electrical, so. One time I smacked the motor with pliers and it started working. Now I'm getting desperate. See a little belly? I needed something a little bit taller than a four-wheeler. I tell you what, folks, I was about ready to call it a day. I needed that. And with that, this auger is ready. It's greased. Got the cone on it. The walker works. Thank goodness. We got some good work done today. We're talking about possibly a little bit of rain tonight, a bigger chance tomorrow, and an even bigger, they said definitely gonna get some in 2 days. As Dad's getting back, it's probably gonna be wet and we won't be able to start harvest. But if it doesn't rain, we will be ready. I think we're 95% ready for harvest now. Well, anyway, we'd love to see you next time. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Have a good one. My last resort was to take this cover off and see what I could figure out. But let's be honest, folks. What the heck was I gonna do in there? I'm no electrician.